You are in a safe location. Safety cones are set out, wheel chocks are installed, spare tire has been inspected and deemed safe, owner's manual reviewed, lug nuts loosened, and vehicle lifted with jack stand underneath, and tools nearby. You are now ready to remove the flat tire. Remove the lug nuts and pull the flat tire off the hub. Make sure to place the lugs together in a place where they won't get kicked or lost. Lug nuts can be easily misplaced or kicked. A best practice is to use a magnetic tool tray to hold parts like the lug nuts, or locking lug nut key. If the wheel is stuck, be careful never to kick or hit a vehicle on a jack stand. If the vehicle has aftermarket wheels, check for a spacer or adapter when removing the flat tire. Adapters may make the spare wheel not fit on the hub. After removing the flat tire, you most likely will encounter rusty studs and hubs. You can see the threads at the base of the studs. There is rust. This must be cleaned with a wire brush before mounting the spare. Safety glasses must be worn when using power tools or brushing off rust with debris, as shown here. Lug nuts will thread further on the stud when the road wheels are thicker alloy and the spare is stamped steel. Therefore, if you don't clean the rust off, then you will be tightening the lugs over the rust, which will result in the wheel becoming loose and wobbly. If the rust can't be removed sufficiently, then the vehicle must be towed. If the vehicle is equipped with aftermarket wheels, check the lug nut to see that it seats properly against the spare tire. Lug nuts are designed to fit with a specific design. When custom wheels are installed, the lug nuts may get changed to a different style, and that may not fit with the factory spare. Place the spare tire on the hub. Line up the studs with the holes in the spare, and push the spare tire all the way onto the wheel. After the spare tire is placed on the hub, finger tighten the lugs all the way by hand while holding the tire against its mounting surface. Do not tighten the lugs with the wrench at this time. Remove the jack stand, lower the vehicle to the ground, and remove the floor jack from underneath the vehicle. Now you tighten the lug nuts. A torque wrench is the best way to tighten the lugs because it can be set to the required foot-pounds. Check the owner's manual for the correct torque. Tighten twice to ensure each lug is secure. Remember to listen for the click each time. Notice the diagonally opposite star pattern. Failure to tighten the lug nuts in this sequence may cause a misalignment of the wheel. And lastly, place the flat in a trash bag so the member's vehicle doesn't get dirty from the flat tire. This is a +1. If you do not torque the wheel lugs, advise members that the vehicle should be checked for proper torque. Many manufacturers recommend having the wheel properly tightened. A best practice is to advise the member to take the vehicle to a tire repair facility immediately.